Hey guys, Flip Man here, coming at you with another whiteboard. So I want to share with you guys how to invest in Airbnbs with $0 of your own money. So it's a common misconception. One of the biggest things we hear for beginners is, I can't do real estate because I simply don't have any money to invest in real estate. Now, that is a fallacy. That's a made-up belief in your mind, and I'm going to show you why today. So check this out, guys. The biggest thing that we need to understand is the numbers on what an asset is worth. First of all, you guys, educate yourself on understanding what a good deal is, the numbers behind a good deal. So you need to understand ARV. So knowing your ARV is critical, guys, after repair value, what that property is worth when you fix it up, or whoever fixes it up and renovates it. And again, you need to know your renovation costs. So both those are critical things to learn. You could learn them anywhere in YouTube. I could help you guys out, but it's very important to understand what makes a good deal. Once you understand that and figure out where your target is, what part of the city, what pocket do I want to invest in, do I want to find a property in, you'll understand it once you get going. It's called farming areas. So I always say start in an area close to your home. So you could door knock. There's a number of ways you could find these deals off market. The second main thing, guys, is locking up the deal. So when you lock up a deal, guys, there's a multitude of things you could actually do with that deal. There's money everywhere out there, so don't use that. That limiting belief will get you stuck. So stay away from the fear that I don't have money, I can't invest in real estate, because that was one of my fears when I first got started, but through mentorship and help, I was able to overcome that limiting belief, let's say. How do you lock up the property? There's a number of ways, and especially now in today's market, there's more properties that are coming available, they're sitting long. So we are starting to do a number of different creative strategies that I could help you guys learn, I could teach you guys. The other thing, locking up a property can simply mean giving an earnest deposit. So earnest deposit holds that property. So you may not even have to actually close on that property, but you could use a number of creative strategies. And when I buy properties from direct to sellers, I put down as little as possible on the earnest money. So you could borrow the earnest money if you don't have any money. So sometimes you can get away with $500 earnest, $1,000 earnest, and you don't have to use your own money. You could borrow that from someone, and then once you start making profits, you could repay them. So that's really important, locking them up. So once you lock them up, guys, the great news is there's going to be a plethora of thousands of investors that are savoring to get good deals. What you do from there is you structure a joint venture. I would put it on your Facebook group, whoever you network with, and you're gonna find someone that's gonna be like, I have the money. And then you structure it from there. With the JV structure, what you're doing there is you're using other people's money. That is the best of the best, especially if you're just starting, you don't have a lot of extra money to invest. This is the perfect way to do it, guys. So this is a great way to get your very first Airbnb, come up with the plan, come up with the strategy, and then again, just stay focused, lock up the property, and then you're on your way. Once you get this property, you decide to JV, now you're cash flowing. So structure it where you're getting 50%, or maybe it's a 60-40. Get it where you're starting to get cash flow every month. And then you could say also, you know, whoever gives you the money, I'll help design, I'll help with the decor. So that's adding value to the busy person who has the money. So maybe they're a doctor, lawyer, whatever, they're working at their job. They don't have time to set up the decor, but again, you don't have the money, you have to provide something, and that's the way I would suggest you guys go. That's the zero Airbnb investing strategy. Another whiteboard coming at you for your financial freedom. If there's questions, comments, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have on this. Like the video, and we'll check you out on the next whiteboard video. Peace.